Hello everyone, thank you guys for tuning in. Today I am going to make quiche. First you are going to need some ground up sausage. You're going to need a red bell pepper, a green bell pepper, a red onion, and you're also going to need some tortilla wraps. So the wraps that I am using is keto friendly. Then you're going to need heavy whipping cream, some chopped cheddar cheese, and you're going to need some mozzarella cheese also, and make sure that they are shredded. So I am going to go ahead and spray my pan with olive oil, and then I will go ahead and place the onions and green peppers over in the pan because I want them to cook down a little. So here I am going to add a little of the Kerrygold Irish butter to give it a little flavor, but it's up to your liking. So next I am going to add my sausage to the pan, and then I am going to chop up the meat really fine. Okay, you guys, I am going keto. I'm getting back into my keto habit of eating. So this is a carb counter, keto friendly tortillas. Instead of me using a pie crust, I am going to layer my dish here, with the tortilla wraps. So I am not doing the pie crust. But if you're not keto, you can go ahead and use the pie crust. So this is what I'm using. So I have a bowl here, and I am going to crack about 10 eggs. So I have some heavy whipping cream. I did not measure. I am pouring to my liking. So I believe this is about a cup. After mixing, I've added 2 dashes of salt, and then I added accent seasoning just to enhance the flavor. And you also can use any seasoning at your liking. Next, you're going to add your meat mixture into your egg mixture. And make sure that you mix it in there really well. I had to turn around and get a fork just to stir and make sure that I blend all the ingredients together. Now we are going to pour everything over into the dish. Doesn't that looks good? And then we're going to go ahead and top it off with some mozzarella cheese. And make sure that your cheese is shredded. And then after that, I am going to add cheddar cheese. And make sure that your cheeses are shredded. And you also going to add as much cheese as you like. And I am now done, and I am going to place it over in the oven. Yes, I am going to place it over in the oven. And then I am going to set the oven to 400 degrees at 25 minutes. And now it is done, you guys. Look at it. Look how beautiful it is. And it smells so good. It smells so good. Look at that. Nice color. Just the way it's supposed to look. And like I said, you do not have to use pie crust. You can use tortilla wraps. That works just as good. I had to have some type of crust. Just look at the crust. Look at that thin layer at the bottom. So I'm keto. So this recipe here is keto friendly. Yes, it is. You can do without the crust, but I love crust. So look at that, you guys. And I love sour cream. And you also can add tomato on top of it, or you can add the tomato salsa, taco sauce, or what have you. Whatever you like. Just look how beautiful that is. You guys, I did taste it and it was delicious. Yes, it was delicious. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Stay tuned. I just may have another cooking video coming your way. Bye.